Real investment decisions must account for taxes. Taxes reduce your profit, but depreciation can soften the blow. Depreciation is a paper expense that lowers your taxable income, that creates a valuable tax shield. In this lesson, we build after-tax cash flows step by step. This is how professionals really evaluate a project. Depreciation spreads an asset's cost over its useful life. You buy a machine for $50,000. It lasts 5 years with no salvage value. Straight-line depreciation is cost minus salvage, divided by life. That is $50,000 over 5 years. So you depreciate $10,000 every year. Depreciation is not cash, but it still saves you money. It lowers your taxable income so you pay less tax. The saving equals the depreciation times the tax rate. Our depreciation is $10,000, and the tax rate is 30%. So the tax shield is $3,000 each year. That is real cash back in your pocket. Now let's build the true after-tax cash flow. The machine earns $20,000 before tax each year. We tax the operating profit, then add back the depreciation shield. That is 20,000 times 0.7 plus 3,000. The after-tax cash flow is $17,000 a year. This is the number we actually discount. Net income and cash flow are not the same thing. Net income subtracts depreciation as an expense. But depreciation is not an actual cash payment. So to get cash flow, we add the depreciation back. Cash flow equals net income plus depreciation. Always follow the cash, not the accounting profit. When you sell the asset, the tax office wants its share. Suppose you sell the old machine for $8,000. Its book value is now 0, so the whole sale is a taxable gain. You pay 30% tax on the $8,000. The after-tax salvage is $8,000 minus $2,400. That leaves $5,600 in cash. Not all depreciation is spread evenly. Accelerated methods deduct more in the early years. The declining balance method is the most common. Bigger early deductions mean bigger early tax shields. And earlier tax savings are worth more today. So accelerated depreciation raises a project's net present value. Now we value the whole project after tax. The machine costs $50,000 today. It produces $17,000 of after-tax cash flow for 5 years. We discount those cash flows at the required return. If their present value beats $50,000, the NPV is positive. Then the project is worth doing, taxes and all. The tax shield can make or break a project. Without depreciation, you would pay tax on the full profit. With it, each year you shield $10,000 from tax. At 30%, that is $3,000 of extra cash a year. Over 5 years, that is $15,000 in savings. Never ignore depreciation when you value an investment. Let's recap depreciation and taxes. Straight-line depreciation is cost minus salvage over life. The tax shield is depreciation times the tax rate. After-tax cash flow taxes the profit and adds the shield back. And selling an asset above book value triggers a tax on the gain. Master these and you can value any real project. Quick quiz, test yourself. A machine costs $50,000 with a 5-year life and no salvage value. So what is the yearly straight-line depreciation? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $10,000. Straight-line depreciation is cost minus salvage, divided by the life, $50,000 over 5. Quick quiz, test yourself. With $10,000 of depreciation and a 30% tax rate, what is the annual tax shield? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $3,000. The tax shield is depreciation times the tax rate, 10,000 times 30%. Quick quiz, test yourself. A project earns $20,000 pre-tax, the tax rate is 30%, and the depreciation shield is $3,000. So what is the after-tax cash flow? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $17,000. It is 20,000 times 0.7 plus the 3,000 shield. Quick quiz, test yourself. To convert net income into operating cash flow, what do you do with depreciation? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, add it back. Depreciation is a non-cash expense, so we add it back to net income. Quick quiz, test yourself. You sell an asset for $8,000 with a book value of 0 and a 30% tax rate. So what is the after-tax salvage? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $5,600. The full sale is a taxable gain, so $8,000 minus 30% tax. Quick quiz, test yourself. In cash flow analysis, depreciation is best described as what kind of item? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, a non-cash expense. No cash leaves the business, but it still lowers taxable income. Quick quiz, test yourself. If the corporate tax rate increases, what happens to the value of the depreciation tax shield? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, larger. The shield equals depreciation times the tax rate, so a higher rate shields more. Quick quiz, test yourself. Compared to straight line, how does accelerated depreciation affect a project's net present value? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, it raises it. Bigger early tax shields are worth more in present value terms. Quick quiz, test yourself. Operating profit is $20,000, depreciation is $10,000, and the tax rate is 30%, so what is net income? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $7,000. Net income is 20 minus 10 times 1 minus 30%. Quick quiz, test yourself. If the annual depreciation tax shield is $3,000 for 5 years, what are the total tax savings? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $15,000. $3,000 a year multiplied by 5 years. Quick quiz, test yourself. A machine costs $80,000 with an 8-year life and no salvage, so what is the yearly straight-line depreciation? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $10,000. 80,000 divided by 8 years. Quick quiz, test yourself. With $15,000 of depreciation and a 25% tax rate, what is the tax shield? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is A, $3,750. The shield is depreciation times the tax rate, 15,000 times 25%. Quick quiz, test yourself. You sell an asset for $12,000 with a book value of $5,000 and a 30% tax rate. So what is the after-tax salvage? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, $9,900. The gain is $7,000, taxed at 30%, so you keep $12,000 minus $2,100. Quick quiz, test yourself. In an after-tax cash flow analysis, depreciation directly reduces which item? Here are your 4 options. Pause the video and solve it now. The correct answer is B, taxable income. Lower taxable income means lower tax, which is the source of the shield.